Hello everyone and welcome to Defense Joes. Today we will continue our vocabulary session. It is applicable for all competitive examination. Okay, here we will discuss a word with its synonyms, antonym, sentence, and after it we will have quiz. So here we go. Friends, these are the MCQ which I have given to you yesterday and I said to you just write the answer on the comment box. Let's see what is the correct answer of these. Okay, the first one is modest. So options is attractive, second option is clever, third option is current, fourth is humble. Okay, so right answer of modest will be humble. It means ground to earth. Okay, we can use humble and modest for ground to earth, right? Then second is custom. Options are desert, habit, ethic, deliver. So friends, correct option will be habit. Okay. Then third is prolong. Options are extend, inquire, relax, wait. The correct prolong. See friends, prolong means for a long time, right? So correct answer will be extend. It's so simple. Fourth is hustle. Options are dense, hurry, busy, clean. So correct answer will be hurry, right? Fifth one is sermon. Options are amusing, harmful, speech, serious. See friends, sermon is a word which means sobriety. Sobriety here means the person who is sober. Okay, but there is no option related to sober. So we will go for serious. Okay. I think it's clear. Now these people have given the right answer. Means they have given the answer. Okay. Yogi have given all the correct answer. Good Yogi, keep it up. Just give answer like this. Okay. Varistock has also given answer. He has given 4 answer. One is wrong. All other are right. Good. You are also in a right path. Keep moving. Okay. Now moving toward our session of today. Now we will run 10 new words, friend. First is underpin. Okay. Underpin is a verb which means promote. Okay. Promote. Synonyms would be nurture, encourage, right? So antonym would be hinder. Let's form an example. He presented data to underpin his argument. Now let's just understand this word. What is underpin, right? Underpins means to promote something. Okay, to protect something. हमने देखा है जब बिल्डिंग और घर बनते हैं तो हम उन्हें कुछ सपोर्ट देते हैं, right? We underpin them. Okay, in this manner we will use this underpin word. So we can also say that nurture karna, which mean care karna, right? Encourage karna, promote karna. I think it's clear. Now what would be the antonym? Antonym would be hinder. Hinder means restricted करना. ठीक है, ग्रोथ को प्रमोट नहीं करना तो hindrance create करना will be the antonym of it. I think it's clear, right? Now moving toward the next word, it is imprudent. See friends, imprudent is an adjective, right? Which means unwise. So synonyms would be injudicious, incautious. If you have seen my previous videos, I told you about root words. Okay, we can learn vocabulary by root words. See friend, here is in. If we will remove this in, we will see judicious and cautious. Judicious means sensible, okay? And cautious mean alert. Then if in is in the front of them, it will become not sensible, not alert, okay? Then we can say these are unwise and these are the synonyms of imprudent. Okay, so then antonym would be positive one, right? So prudent is the word which is used in a positive sense. We can say that a person who is careful. A person who is careful, we can use this word for him. Let's form an example. It would be imprudent to leave her winter coat behind. Okay, it would be not wise to leave her winter coat behind in this winter season. Okay, now moving toward the next word, it is incursion. See friend, it's a noun. Okay, it means attack on. Whenever somebody try to attack, we use the word incursion. So incursion synonym would be assault on, raid on. See friends, assault and raid on are slightly different from incursion. Okay, I would like to explain what is incursion. Incursion होता है invasion or attack, right? Especially on a sudden or a brief one. So what is the assault? Assault is a physical attack. Then what is raid on? Raid on is a rapid surprise attack on an enemy, or which is by troops. It is basically done by the defense personnel, okay, aircraft or other armed forces. These are the meaning of incursion. Simply हम बोल सकते हैं attack, but ये attack slightly different है, but we can use them as a synonyms, no problem. Okay, then antonym would be retreat. See, if somebody has gone for fight, if you will say, hey, stop, come, okay, withdraw this attack, then it would be retreat. A signal for a military force to withdraw is known as retreat. I think it's pretty clear. Okay, let's form an example. Soldiers went for incursion into enemy territory. It means that to attack on enemy territory, they went there. Then fourth one is exacerbate. Exacerbate क्या होता है? कोई चीज़ थोड़ी सी खराब है और ख़राब हो जाना, ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो जाना, उसको बैड सिचुएशन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सासर्बेट बोलते हैं, राइट? देन व्हाट वुड बी द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ दैम? एग्रावेट हो जाएगा, ठीक है. एग्रावेट मीन्स वर्सन द कंडीशन, more serious. Okay, synonyms would be worsen, inflame. Why I said inflame? Because inflame here signifies intensify, ठीक है. Okay, then antonym would be calm and cool, no problem, all is good. Okay, example is the exorbitant cost of land in urban areas only exacerbate the problem. I think it's clear. Now moving toward the fifth one is catastrophe. This word has been listened by you many times in the newspaper whenever disaster come, right? We say catastrophe, ठीक है. Disaster synonym would be calamity and cataclysm. Now what is cataclysm? A large, okay, a large scale and violent event in the natural world, like tornado, volcano. These activity comes under cataclysm. Basically we can relate it with the disaster. Okay, this is the synonym of disaster, calamity and cataclysm. Then what would be the antonym and opposite of it? Salvation. Salvation means, okay, no harm, you are preserved, right? The state of being preserved from harm. Okay, then let's form an example. An environmental catastrophe has hit the country. Okay, now moving toward the next word, it's slander. Slander is an adjective which we use basically for gracefully thin. The thing which is gracefully thin, we use the word slander. Okay, adjective is meager. Okay, meager means thin and lean. Okay, thin. Meager means thin. I think it's clear. Then synonyms would be limited and slight. जो चीज़ थोड़ी सी होगी उसको हम स्लैंडर बोलेंगे, ठीक है. देन एंटोनिम वुड बी कंसिडरेबल. द थिंग विच इज़ लार्ज इन साइड इज कॉल्ड कंसिडरेबल. ओके, देन example of this word is he helped people of slander means. I think it's pretty clear. Now moving toward the seventh word, it's dignified. Dignified is an adjective, right? Adjective, okay, which means stately. See friend, what is stately? It means impressive. Okay, something is very impressive, you will say stately. Okay, synonym would be noble and courtly. Okay, antonym would be undignified. So simple, right? Dignified opposite would be undignified. See, what is noble? Noble is belonging by rank, a person of noble rank or birth, we call them. Okay, very polite. These all are used as a dignified manner. Then let's form an example. See, maintain a dignified silence. Okay. Now the eighth one is profoundly. Profoundly. Profoundly is an adverb. जहाँ भी ly आता है, मोस्टली, हर केस में नहीं, तो वो क्या होता है, एडवर्ब होता है, राइट. देन सिनोनिम्स वुड बी वेरी, डीपली. ओके. सी, एक्सट्रीमली क्या होता है, डीप होता है बहुत. ओके, दिस वुड बी द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ प्रोफाउंडली. ओके. एंटोनिम वुड बी सुपरफिशियली. Simple, so simple. For example, he profoundly altered the whole country of my life, whole course of my life. Okay, he profoundly altered the whole course of my life means he extremely altered my whole course of life. Okay. Then ninth one is oppressive. What does oppressive means? Oppressive means harsh. If you are harsh on somebody, you can say he is harsh upon the quality of other person. Okay. Then synonym would be cruel, brutal. Okay. Then opposite would be lenient, generous, liberal. Okay, very polite. These all are the opposite of oppressive, and synonym would be brutal and cruel. No, the heart is not kind. Okay, you can use oppressive word for dead people. Then example, they survived on oppressive dictatorship. See how beautifully this adjective is used. Dictatorship is always an oppressive. Okay, it is always harsh, so we can use the sentence as this: they survived an oppressive dictatorship. Okay, I think it's clear. Now moving toward the next word, it is retreat. See friends, again the root word. Okay, retreat, it's a verb. Okay, which means पीछे हटना. कोई चीज़ पीछे हट जाएगी, गो आउट हो जाएगी, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, retreat बोलेंगे. Okay, synonyms would be ab and recede. What is ab? Ab means back or away. Ab means back. Okay, back and away को हम क्या बोलते हैं, ab बोलते हैं. Basically we can see these in the tide, in the sea. Okay, back और away आती है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, आप बोलते हैं, EBB. Okay. Then recede. What is recede? Go or move back or further away from the previous position. ठीक है, previous position से दूर जाने को हम क्या बोलते हैं, recede बोलते हैं. Okay. Antonym would be come in. Go out का opposite क्या है, come in. And retreat हमें memorize अपने दिमाग में रखना है. ठीक है. Then let's form an example. It becomes so hot that the lizard retreat into the shade. Retreat मतलब away from the previous position. Okay. So friend, we have done with our 10 words. Now see how much you know. You have to find a similar meaning. The first one is underpin. Options are weaken, disprove, disagree, support. Okay, the correct answer is support. Second is imprudent. Options are prudent, sensible, injudicious, wise. So correct answer is injudicious. Third is incursion. Options are attack, resistant, significant, abort. So correct answer will be attack. Okay. Fourth is exacerbate. Options are bad situation, ease, calm, reduce. The correct answer is bad situation. Fifth one is catastrophe. Options are cataclysm, salvation, leader, and godsend. The correct answer is cataclysm. I said you about volcanic activity, tornado. Okay, these all comes under cataclysm, right? Then slander. Options are fat, ugly, beautiful, thin. So correct answer is thin. Seventh is dignified. Options are pathetic, silly, noble, poor. So correct answer is noble. Profoundly. Next word is profoundly. Options are superficial, deeply, mild, and heavy. So correct answer will be deeply. Okay. Ninth is oppressive. Options are liberal, generous, lenient, brittle. So correct answer is brutal. Okay. These are all are the positive one. then retreat. Options are come in, intensive, ab, increase. I said you ab is the back or away. Retreat means back or away. Okay. So correct answer is ab. Now this is all for today. These are the question for you. You have to give answer of this all the question 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th in the comment box. I'll check every answer if you will give. Okay. Then this is all for today. Thank you so much. If you like this session, please like it, share it, and subscribe our channel. Okay. Then we have live classes of maths at 8 p.m. Sorry, at 6 p.m. and the SSB classes at 8 p.m. Okay. Maths classes is taken by Aviral sir, okay, at 6 p.m. and SSB classes by Anand sir. If you have any doubt in this, you can clarify it. Okay, keep learning.